let's start with the AutoCAD. Whenever we talk about AutoCAD, then there are two kind of design we are discussing for AutoCAD, that is 2D and 3D. AutoCAD itself is a part of the Autodesk software, and in industry, particularly in the industry, for computer aided drafting, this kind of software is probably used, which make capable of drafting of 2D and 3D drawing. Okay, AutoCAD is a powerful tool for creating and manage sets of drawing for design and construction. Initially, right now we are discuss the basics about AutoCAD, how we have to start. If you have time and if you get to permit in our college, then we have the licensed version of AutoCAD in our laboratory. So you may take the benefit of the laboratory to use AutoCAD, or you may also install in your own PC trial version to learn that how to draft or how to uh, draw the or how to drafting 2D or 3D drawing. Right now we are discussed that after installing the AutoCAD, what procedure we have to follow to start the AutoCAD as a beginner. Okay, so one by one I just show you the some basic hint which may provide the basic idea about basic command of AutoCAD. In current lecture, we have to discuss regarding the basic AutoCAD command and how to draw the basic things of either in 2D and 3D. In the next lecture, we proceed for the 3D drawing. Today, we just give the brief introduction that how to start. You just see here that one tab is given to you. From this tab, start the drawing, or we will proceed for the next. Whenever we open the AutoCAD, we will meet one start tab. Okay, so which allow us to access various templates and tutorial. For our beginning point of view, this is the basic blank template provide for you, which may look like this, right? This is the starting. Whenever you start the AutoCAD or when you click on starting, on that time this kind of screen are show on your screen. Okay, it is called as a one kind of blank file that you consider as a drawing one drawing. Okay, so it's easy for you to judge and understand that this is your first file and the name whichever you mention. Every time we can create a new tab by clicking the plus button. Okay, every time By clicking the plus button, we have create the new tab. So it may get next to the drawing one tab. And then we will save our new drawing. How to save the file, whichever we have prepared on the AutoCAD screen. If you want to save, then definitely we have to provide the proper name. So click on the AutoCAD icon. In the top left, to open the main menu, click Save and navigate through the file structure. And wherever you have to prefer the location. Okay. It's very easy to save any kind of file. Now some tool and the pink line shows some workspace where some commands and all kind of instruction are provided, and we have to play with this all the instruction and all the workspace. Okay, there are lots of tools, lots of command, and which may helpful to draw any 2D or 3D drawing. The basic menu, if you want to start, then we will start with the new file, right? Then save, and if the printer is attached, then you may take the print also directly. You can see here, this is the basic menu where all kind of commands are there. This is the drawing selection tabs. Here, whichever you command apply, that can be promote here. Okay. आपने कौन कौन से कमांड यूज किए हैं और कौन कौन से कमांड अभी कंटिन्यू है, that can be directly view at here. And this is the panel where we are fortunate for the setting. The ribbon, which is a newer menu type for AutoCAD, which contain buttons for drawing, modifying, and manage your work, right? This ribbon can modify your drawing, same way manage your whole work. Okay, so these are the basic toolbar which are important as per AutoCAD point of view. I just show you the screen and give brief introduction about that screen. Then I proceed for all the relevant commands which are helpful, or basic commands which are helpful to start the any kind of 2D or 3D drawing. This is the workspace at where we are performing our whole work. There is some question in your mind that what kind of work or what we have to draw at here. Okay, as we understand in the orthographics and isometric, that orthographics is the one kind of 2D drawing and isometric is the one kind of 3D drawing. If that we have to draw in the computer, and if you want to take the print, so computer can also perform that kind of functions. And for that, we are launching the AutoCAD, or we are use the AutoCAD, right? To draw either 2D drawing or to draw the either 3D drawing. But for that, we know some basic command, some basic steps, and we have some uh, proper AutoCAD version, right? In our college right now, AutoCAD 19 license version is available. So whenever you are in the college, and if you want to start the do or performing some work on AutoCAD, then please visit the AutoCAD lab. This is the setting of AutoCAD. Whenever you are drafting or whenever you start to drafting, you often want your elements to snap to existing line work for precision, right? You can choose what kind of options CAD will snap by open the object snap setting. Okay, there is one command given to you, O snap. Okay, for snap, there is one command, OSNAP. That command will open the object snap on, and object snap tracking may check, and for our purpose, make sure that endpoint, midpoint, center, node, intersection, extension, and perpendicular are okay or not. If it all are okay, you just see here that when you open the on snap, O snap, on that time, every kind of asking by the AutoCAD that what kind of work you have to perform. So whenever you start, then you just see the O snap, because we have to plan to draw object snap here, where the functions like endpoint, midpoint, center point, node, intersection, extension, and perpendicular are checked. As we know that whenever we have to start any line, then start point is there and end point is there. So initially, if we are just on the O snap with this all comments, then it may help us very properly that whenever or wherever you require the endpoint or midpoint or center point or node, right? Suppose we have to extend the line, then extension is there. Suppose we have to draw the perpendicular line, then ortho or perpendicular line is shown to you by AutoCAD with the O snap command. So that you have to start. Now working with layer. This is the important point. Whenever to create a layer, there is one shortcut, Alt+N. Okay, many times it may ask in your midsem or in it may be in your MCQ type of exam that what is the or which is the short key for working with or create the new layer. Okay, so Alt+N is there. Okay, that you have to remember. AutoCAD use layers to manage work. Why we have to use the layer? We have not only one kind of program or one kind of drawing is there. There are many kind of work. So if you want to manage that all work with proper drawing order, right? With the proper layer order, then we have to require some layer. Okay, if you just mention only LA, okay, अगर आप यहाँ पे सिर्फ LA mention करेंगे, still it may be showing you with layer. Okay, in short, Either you may use the alter n or you may just directly mention LA. It shows you the new layer. Working with external reference. Why just I show you this all? Because you are the beginner, you don't know anything about the OSNAP or layer. So it may very important whenever you directly on the screen of AutoCAD that what is external references, what is layer, and how we have to manage that all thing. Okay, external reference, or in short, we are refer with the XREFs, XREFS. Okay, which insert link copy of other drawing. Okay, how it may be help to the drawing, which may insert link copies of other drawing or image into our file. Okay, if we are typing XREF and if we attach, then navigate to the tutorial folder. It will directly with the navigate to the attached folder, and directly we have to open that external reference window, which is very easy to work with that. Now, on that time, we have keypad or keyboard and mouse. So we can use both the things, but कैसे use करना है? If you want to zoom out or zoom in, then we are prefer to use the scroll button of the mouse. It means the middle portion of the mouse, right? Which may scroll or which may roll in its own axis. Now we have to just pan it. So click and drag the scroll wheel. Okay, we have to just click and drag. So it may easily pan. To select, left click, for I just talk about the mouse. To select, left click once to start a selection rectangle, and then left click again at opposite corner to finish the selection rectangle. Okay, suppose we have to prepare a rectangle, then what we have to do, we have to click on the mouse, left click. Okay, start a selection with the corner, and once again roll it and click on the opposite corner to finish the selection rectangle. Here, if you create a rectangle to the left of your original click, it will be green, right? You can just see it here. I just show with the proper notification also. If you create it to the right, it will be blue. Okay, you understand that? If you create a rectangle to the left of your origin, it will be green. But if you create it to the right, it will be blue. The green rectangle select anything it intersect, whereas the blue only select item located entirely within the rectangle. To end a command on the keyboard, we have to either enter or escape. Okay, we can use either enter or escape. Freezing layer. Actually, it may not use right now. So I'm just keep it and start with the first command, and very important command, that is drawing a line. We know very well to draw a line, we have or we require two end point. One is starting point and one is the end point. Okay. If you want to start to write or to select the line, so there is option given to you at here. And if you don't want to find, then you directly just type L. Okay. just type L any or L. Okay, and the line command may start. Now, how to use click once to start the line? Click once to start the line, release, then click again to end it. Okay, आपको line कैसे draw करनी है? Once you click on with the start the line, आपने पहले एक बार click करनी है, उसके बाद you may whatever your dimension you may require, you take and then once again you click it. So click again to end it. So it is the command given to the AutoCAD that you may require this kind of length. Okay. Here, AutoCAD will assume that you want to continue drawing lines and will start another line at the end of our previous one. Okay. Yet the command is not end. Only your line is end. Okay. Means AutoCAD understand that here you require to draw more things. If you want to exit from the command, then either you may enter or escape by the ending the command. Unfortunately, if you अगर आपको continue करना है and still you may end it or enter it. So on that time, once again you may select the line. So with the help of line, line, either you mention line or you mention L, or you may just select from the menu bar line command, you may draw the line. Then arc. To draw an arc, we have to type ARC or only A. Okay, ARC or only A. Once you click on the start point, click again for the second point and click one last time to the end point. You remember that in the line command, we have to click 2 times, while in the arc command, we have to clicking 3 times. Okay, there are a center, it may ask initial point, then center and end point. In this way, the arc may be adjust in your drawing. Okay, so click once to the start point, click again to the second point, and click one last time to the end of the arc. As in the case of the most AutoCAD command, the command will offer different option as we draw after our first click. Okay, that you have to remember that every time we are not directly end the command every time, because we have to continue or we have to draw some complex problem. Okay, specifically for arc, we are use the pick point that you remember, starting point, center point, and end point. Drawing a polyline. As you know that if you use the French curve in drawing the awkward shape, same thing we are prefer to draw with the help of polyline. The segments of a polyline are connected to make one complete object. Right. To start, type either you type POLYLINE, आपको पूरा लिखो, या फिर PL. You may just mention with the PL. Okay. Each click of the mouse will add a new segment point. आप जितनी भी क्लिक करेंगे उतना सेगमेंट अलग अलग होगा. ये you just see it here. I just start after mention PL. I just start at here and then click at here. Then once again click at here. Once again click at here. Once again click at here. So जितने भी मैं क्लिक करूंगा, same way I can get that much continuous segment. Okay. If you want to add an arc segment, अगर उसमें हमें arc का ऐड करना है, then we have to type A and then enter, then hit enter. Okay. So we are use polyline and R command both. R command is used when we have to draw some kind of arc, and polyline when we have to join two kind of segments. Now editing grips. In many AutoCAD objects, grips to allow for manipulation. If we say about the polyline and see what the grips do, click any corner grip to activate it. Okay, if you just click on a grip, so what you are getting, you just see it here, the blue portion means आपने जहां से जहां तक का portion cover किया है, segments, whichever the segments you are clicking, and after end you are generate one whole polyline or whole uh, diagram with how much grips. If you want to find, then there is one command that grip which may show you after it applying or it may on, we are directly show all that line with the blue point. Okay, so it's very easy to join and just analyze whole drawing with using the grips. We can easily control our time by using the grip option. Now drawing a rectangle, a basic command that I can use initially, that is line, arc, polyline, grips, now rectangle. This is a one kind of shape, 2D shape that I can show you right now. Either I can mention or I can just type the rectangle, or click on the menu bar and select the rectangle, or I just mention the REC to begin the drawing of rectangle. As I explained you initially that only from the mouse we are easily draw the rectangle. Click to start our first point. We could click again to set our opposite corner and complete our rectangle. Now, after end of the rectangle, we have to give the dimensions. This is very important. For dimension, either you may mention D, so it may provide you the arrow. Okay, जो आपको draw करने होते हैं easily में, that directly provided by the AutoCAD, and you just mention the dimension in specific way. Drawing a circle, either you mention CIRCLE in small letter or mention start with the C. So automatically AutoCAD understand that we have to mention with the, or we have to select the circle. So click to start in the center of the circle. There are many kind of circle option given to you when you select the circle from the menu bar, like a 3-point circle, 2-point circle, tangent, radius, or we are considered the TTR circle also. Okay, so as per your requirement and as per your subject point of view, you may prefer any one case from relevant case. Okay, if you directly mention the center and then you mention some radius, then that radius, and then you enter, then directly you are get the circle of that radius. Initially, suppose I can mention the center point and click at here end point, and then if I can type either 3.5 or 4, then and then enter, then I can show the circle may be of 3.5 or 4, right? Hatch line, yet it may not complete, I think, in your lecture. Hatching portion is important when we cut some portion and we have to see that after cutting all the portion, how it may look. Okay, so hatching portion is very important. Or what is the inner characteristic? If you want to find, then we have to use the hatch command. Here, hatching allows us to fill shapes with patterns, most probably for solid colors. If you want to begin the hatch command, it may type only H or HATCH in small letter. Okay. Initially, they ask us that select the object. Okay, so either it may be rectangle. Here, I can show you with the rectangle, but every time it may not possible that there is only rectangle is there. So sometimes it may not the rectangle. Then it may provide whichever the diagram is there. Then initially we select the object option, which allow us to select multiple boundaries objects. Okay, and click to accept the hatch location, and then we have to just click. So it may be provide us proper hatching line. So sometime it may ask us in the exam that function of the hatch or how we have to provide the hatch line. Most probably hatching line we are adjusting with 45-degree, but sometime that depends. But if we are not provide anything, then it may directly take 45-degree, right? Now I just show you some basic that what we have to do in the AutoCAD and how it may be applicable, or what kind of formatting are used by AutoCAD. These all things are very important. So before that, I just show you one command which is yet missing, as I discussed in this circle portion, but yet it may be missing. That is dimension command. Yeah. Suppose if you want to provide the dimensions, then either we have to mention DIM, either we have to mention DIM.
With commands, then later on we'll move to making basic drawings using draw and modify tools, and then we'll learn about tools that let
Yeah, there is some matter. Okay. Yes. The dimensions, which is the very important whenever we draw or whenever we perform any drawing. As you know very well that suppose you draw the circle, suppose you draw the line, then what is the dimension? That is the first question asked by concern. So on that time, you know that how to give the dimension in AutoCAD. The dimension, either we mention the dimension or DIM. Okay. Then click one end of the line. Suppose I want to just provide the dimension of this line. Then what I have to do? Click one end of the line to set the first point. and click end of the line to set the second point. Okay, पहले हमें DIM लिखना है, then we click on first point, then we click on next point or end point. As we move the mouse away from the line, our dimension gets further from it. The dimension orientation will change based on how we move the mouse. Okay, that you can face or you can just check that when you are actually on AutoCAD screen. The dimension trying to check that it must be parallel to the line. After parallel, you get, then you mention the dimension here in the center, and then you may enter. Okay, so that is provide you the dimensions of any kind of complex shape. Either it may be the polyline, or it may be the circle, or it may be the line, or it may be the rectangle or square. Okay, so these are the basic things. Yet we are continue as a beginning point of view of the AutoCAD. In the next 2 and 3 lecture, yet I have to require minimum more 2 lecture to complete the AutoCAD, and then I give you 2 and 3 exercise at your home that you have to trying to finish with your way. How, कैसे करनी है, क्या करना है, that I will discuss later. After that, you have to perform. If anybody have yet any query, then they may mention in the comment box or they may ask me. So I just trying to solve their query.